Unacademy.
Hello
Let's crack it.
everyone, welcome to Unacademy Arogya. My name is Nikki Sinha. I'm an educator with Unacademy. Hello? Hello? Yes, I'm talking to you. Hello? मेरी कोई बात ही नहीं सुन रहा? हेलो? यस, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. वो वहां जो बिस्तर पे बैठे इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल किए जा रहा है ना, मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ. पहले इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करोगे, वहां के फीड्स खत्म हो जाएंगे. फिर फेसबुक स्क्रॉल करोगे, फिर वहां के भी फीड्स खत्म हो जाएंगे, तो यूट्यूब पे आ जाओगे. अब यूट्यूब पे आ ही गए हो तो एक अच्छी वीडियो भी देख के चले जाओ, विच विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू. यस, दैट्स द टॉपिक ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो. I am going to address the sedentary lifestyle that we have all adopted nowadays. We've always had a sedentary lifestyle, but now I think because of the lockdown, it has become much more acute. Don't you think? You're all in 12th, you're giving your final exams, you're preparing for your boards. And how many of you, just after you finish your studies, take up your phones and start scrolling through Instagram? Or just start watching some videos on YouTube? Or just do some random things on your phone instead of going out in the sun, instead of going out in the evening and play? I'm sure that's a very less percentage of you. That's why I'm here, guys. I'm here to tell you the importance of sports, the importance of physical activity, and what role it plays in our lifestyle, particularly in a student's life. Since you're dealing with so much of pressure, with so much to study, it is really advisable that you don't spend a lot of time on phones and engage in any sporting activity. You can engage in any sporting activity. Let me tell you how sports will actually enhance your performance and what is the importance of sports, particularly in the life of a student. First of all, now this is the time because we're sitting, we're always studying, we're always munching, always eating something or the other, and it's mostly junk. This is the time when we gain a lot of weight. Hence, sports is important here also because when you play, your muscles are activated. When you play, your entire nervous system is activated. When you play something, your entire BMR is activated and your BMR is actually at a higher rate. So, whatever you eat will obviously burn away as soon as you play. Hence, no weight gain. No weight gain means a healthy lifestyle, a healthy you. Whenever you're playing something, you're generally very happy. Why do you think you're so happy? Because there's this release of a hormone called oxytocin. That hormone actually keeps you very happy, in a good spirit, in a good mood. Yes, oxytocin is necessary if you want to really focus in your work, if you really want to focus on quality over quantity. Because here, since you have a lot of oxytocin in your body, you will just need 2 hours to finish what you would have done in 6 hours because your body and mind was tired. That's the second advantage that you have of engaging in any physical activity and particularly sports. Second of all, sorry, third of all, Third of all, it will generally give you a very healthy body. Your muscles are engaging, your entire body is engaging, you're running, you're jumping, you're engaging in so much of activity. It will generally give you a very healthy body. There will be no weight gains, and yes, there would be no side effects at all. Nothing as such. You will not have any headaches, you will not have any migraine attacks, you will not have any cold and cough because your immunity becomes stronger when you play, when you engage in any sporting activity. So in general, you will have a very healthy lifestyle which is actually going to help you a lot. You don't want to fall ill while you're preparing for your boards. You want to have a healthy day, a healthy year, because you don't want to waste even a second when you're studying. So that is where sports comes in. It's actually very important, guys. Also, sports leads to a better mind body balance. What do you mean by this? See, our mind is really active whenever we are studying. We also need to keep the same activation level for our body, otherwise, there would be a discrepancy. Sports helps your body to get into that active level, to get into that active zone, which keeps a balance between your mind and body. Last but not the least, it definitely helps you focus better because you're fresh, you're happy. जो काम आप 6 घंटे में कर रहे थे अब वो काम आप 2 घंटे में कर पाओगे. Yes, guys. So please, 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 it's my humble request as a teacher, as a welfare coach, I would really request you all to get over the sedentary lifestyle. Have involved sports in your life at least for an hour a day. It's very important. You will see the difference. You will notice the difference in a day or two. You will notice your stamina becoming better, your performance becoming better, your focus becoming better, your concentration will become better. So please engage in sports. Do not think of it as a waste of time. The time you spent on your phone is much more a waste of time than the time you play outside, filling your lungs with oxygen.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.